Let's take a look on an update UX pilot added to the product that will help you to take a screenshot from a website and then convert it to an editable screen very easily. Let's start. Okay, today let's take a look at an improvement that UX pilot added to the product. It's a feature that exists before, but now they added an improvement and now it's make much more accurate results. The feature is the upload image reference, and it's give you the ability to upload an image and then create the page based on this image. Let's see some example on how I replicate an image and create with it high fidelity and wireframe screen, and then I will show you how to do it. I go to Figma now. Here's an image I took from LinkedIn. If I click on the frame, you will be able to see that this is an image, and I ask UX pilot to replicate it with the image replicate feature. I go down, click here on the frame, and you can see that this is not an image, it is a real Figma components. Here's another example from a product called Writer. This is the image I took from the page. This is the wireframe. You can see that is very accurate to the image I upload. And here you can see the high fidelity screen UX pilot created from the image. So let's go to UX pilot to see how it works. I'm in UX pilot. Let's start with wireframe. I select the standard model, desktop application. Here I paste this prompt, replicate this as a best possible wireframe, and I will use a screenshot from 11 Labs. This screenshot that I took from the platform to generate voice with AI, 11 Labs. And by the way, if you don't know 11 Labs, take a look on that. It's a great product to create voice from text or voice to voice or more options with audio. I download this image, let's export. And now in UX pilot, I click on image, select the file, click open. You can see the image is here, so UX pilot will be able to use it as a reference. I click on generate, and now we need to wait to get the wireframe. In the meantime, with waiting, I click on high fidelity, click on generate, and now it's create a high fidelity screen. So in one moment, we will have both wireframe and high fidelity based on the image. Okay, it's finished the work. Let's take a look. Here's the wireframe. You can see it here. Very close to the image I upload to UX pilot, and this is the high fidelity screen it's created for the image. So why this feature is so good? Basically, you can use it in some ways. For example, you enter to work on a product, there is no design system, no Figma files. You can take screenshots for the product and create the page based on this image. Another things that you can do with this feature is that if you create a new product and you want to test different layouts, you can take screenshots for different products with different layouts and create the layouts with UX pilot. Then you can take what UX pilot generated and import to Figma. I will show it in one moment how to do it. So if you want to generate different layouts for a product, it's a great way, a very fast way to do it. Upload an image, replicate, import to Figma, and then you can iterate on Figma. So once UX pilot created the images, now we want to take them and move to Figma to continue iterate there. Very easy to do. I will do a little bit zoom out. I select now the both screens, then click here on save to Figma. It will save both of them. And basically this is another feature that UX pilot added as a new one, that you can make bulk actions by selecting multiple screen. Now let's move to UX pilot. Let's click on the menu, UX pilot. Let's click here. And by clicking on the import icon, this one, UX pilot will add now the screens we created on the website of UX pilot to Figma. It takes 10 seconds. Let's close this one, zoom out, let's move it here. And you can see we have the two pages we created in UX pilot now in Figma. And if I click on this box or this text, you can see that there are layers. You can now continue to iterate on Figma. So that's all for this video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. See you on the next one. Take care.